Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to change color of rectangle in photopea. Let's get started. First of all, I do not use fill and use only stroke. Then select the rectangle layer, click shape tool and change color. Okay, and another way, again double click, change or add fill color. Again double click, change fill color. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.